What's up guys, it's Crimson, and today I'm bringing you guys a video on how to recover deleted or lost files. So this works on hard drives, USB drives, pretty much anything of the sort, and it's a digital forensics analysis app, and this is called Autopsy. So it comes pre-installed with Kali Linux, but for the sake of recording and ease, I'm just going to be using the Windows version right now. So I'll make a demonstration on how to use it on Kali Linux later, but it's pretty straightforward. So to demonstrate this, we have our USB drive here, and we have three different types of files. We have a text document, as you can see here, deleteme.txt. We have a JPEG, this is just my profile picture in low res. And then we have a nice little Valorant clip of me. I'll let you guys watch this. I'm not that good, but I thought this was pretty epic. This was still in the beta.
This game crashed his computer.
Be faster.
Damn!
So we got all these files, and what we're going to do is first we're going to, just to make sure everything works fine, we're going to eject that USB, and then we're going to put it back in. And let's see, I'm going to delete all of these files and eject it again and plug it back in. And as you can see, there's no files, so we are going to attempt to recover the lost files using Autopsy. So we're going to open a new case, and we can call the case name test, and it's fine. Oh, we'll just here documents. Alright, so case number 1, examiner name Crimson. I honestly don't think you have to do this stuff, but okay, so we're opening our case. So when you enter your new case, you're going to have to select a type of data source, and we're obviously using a local disk, so we're going to select our USB drive, and yeah, that's all fine. Sure, keep all of that stuff. Alright guys, so when that is done, it'll take a little bit. You'll see this, and so the data source is added, and now it will start to analyze the files. So as you can see, here's our drive, and so you can see here we have file types of images, videos, and audio files. So let's go to images. There we go. So we got our logo that we had back. Let's go videos, Valorant clip. Now with the clips, it's really a hit or miss of whether they will actually load or not. Sometimes the image just gets corrupted, but it says if we use an external player. So let's try this. We'll extract the file. We'll export it. Just save it to desktop. There we go. And now if we go to desktop, wow, so we're able to view the entire clip. And even though it was deleted, ejected, and then put back in. And let's see we can find, so that's the audio file to it, and let's see if we can find our text files. So documents, plain text, deleteme.txt, and we can see it says nothing's ever lost forever. So we were able to find our text file, and these are some files that I was gonna make for this video, but I had to reshoot it a few times. So this is just how to do this on Windows, and I will show you guys how to do it on Kali Linux in just a minute. I will be right back. So while booting up our virtual machine, we're going to make sure to go into USB, and we're going to add our SanDisk Cruiser Glide, which is the USB that we're using. This is to make sure that the virtual machine actually picks this up, so I will be back once my machine is booting up. Alright guys, so I'm in my Kali Linux virtual machine, and unfortunately I do not have enough storage on this virtual machine to create an image to do this, but I'm going to demonstrate how, as it's extremely easy, and I'm sure I got confidence in you guys that you can figure out the rest. So you're going to go to your terminal and type sudo autopsy, and it will locally host autopsy, and you're just going to open this. And you're going to click new case, and we'll name this case test. New case, add host. And what you see is you're going to need to make an image file. So now I don't have enough storage dedicated to my virtual machine to make an image file, but I'm sure you guys do, because you're probably, if you're watching this video to do it on Kali Linux, you're probably not going to be doing it in a virtual machine. You're probably going to be doing it on an actual Kali Linux machine. But anyway, you're going to, whoops, not autopsy, you're going to open Guymager, and you're going to right click on your disk and click acquire image. You're going to fill out all this stuff, and you're going to choose a directory to save the image. So I would be saving mine to desktop. You would click choose and click start. And now what this would do is when you go to add image file, you would paste the location of the image. So if I named it image, this would be the address to get to that. You're going to paste that in here, select disk, click next, and you can begin your file analysis. And it's pretty straightforward, just like the Windows one. It just looks a little different, but I will make a demonstration on this for you guys in the future, but I'm sure you guys want this video up as soon as possible. So rather than taking the time to dedicate more storage to my virtual machine, I'm just going to, for the sake of argument, assume that you guys will have enough storage and probably won't be running file analysis on a 16 gigabyte flash drive like I am. And if you are, you can probably use a little bit of your storage. So good luck on this, guys. Good luck on finding those deleted files or whatever you're looking for. And thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I will be having many more YouTube videos coming up in the future. We're going to be going over the Aircrack G Suite, a bunch of tools that are in Kali Linux and tools that are not installed by default in Kali Linux. We're going to be doing Windows hacking, Linux hacking, a bunch of stuff. So you got to stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching.